How to fix can't add card to Apple Pay on iPhone in iOS 17. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app, scroll down, head towards the option of General. Now open the option Language and Region. Click on the option Region. Now from this page you have to choose the region you are currently living in. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, come to this General page, scroll down, click on Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and again turn it back and check whether your problem will be solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, what you have to do is open your settings again, scroll down, open the option General, open the option iPhone Storage. Now from here you have to find the app wallet. Once you find it, open it. You'll see the option of Upload app, click on it, click on Upload app. Now click on Reinstall app. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix can't add card to Apple Pay on iPhone in iOS 17. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.